exercise 6. This is based on a very simple major arpeggio with a bit of a walking feel to it. So it's going to sound like this. Nice and easy. Notice the thumb's still a bit lower than normal, not too high. Pinky stretches. You're going to have really wide hands by the end of these exercises. And we're going to start with the first bar of exercise 6, which is going to start on the note A, fret 5 at the top. And you're simply going to go first, third, fifth, sixth. Now I want to start introducing the concept of the positions, those numbers that I'm mentioning, the 3, 5, 6. The root is from where you're building the chord. I'm building it from an A. And we're going to the third. And the reason why I call it the third, even though it's not in fret 3, is because it's the third note of the major scale. So if you knew your major scale, this is the major scale. And I counted 1 being the starting note, 2, 3. That's why I call it the third. The fifth note would be the fifth note of the major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First note, third note, fifth note. And then the sixth that I mentioned with respect to the major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's the sixth note of the major scale. So basically going 1, 3, 5, 6. If you've got any questions on these positions, please let me know. I want us to understand the concept of this. Now, all we're going to do is just get a very basic sort of walking line. We can use this in songs like Crazy Little Thing Called Love, Time Warp, basically any really good rock and roll boogie. It just works. It's very, very user friendly. And whatever chord we need, we just play from that root note. So if I need an A, I'd do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I needed a G, I'd go to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I needed an E flat, I'd go here. So it's the same concept, the same sequence of fingers, just starting on different positions, and the notes in relationship to the starting note will remain the same, the sequence of how the fingers move. So this exercise, 2 A's from here, 1 D from here, and then 1 E from here. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And repeat. D, E, and we end on the A. So just a basic concept. The whole purpose of here is just to get our rhythms really good and to give you some ideas of what you can do to get your bass playing a bit more creative, to understand rhythms and what the bass riffs are doing when you learn it.